how to clear Google Photo storage. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to not miss any updates. Today I'm going to show you how to clear your Google Photo storage so that you can free up space for other things or just reduce how much space you use. So let's dive right in. First things first, open up your Google Photos, and then on the top right you'll see your profile icon. Tap on it. Now tap on manage storage. Now here you can review or delete items like blurry photos, large photos and videos, and even screenshots. For example, if you tap on blurry photos, you can select the ones you want to delete and then just hit delete. And that's it. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.